Welcome, aspiring real estate millionaires. Today, we're unveiling a step-by-step blueprint to financial success through real estate. Let's dive in. Building wealth through real estate involves strategic steps. 1. Education. Learn about real estate markets, investment strategies, and financial management. Read books. Attend seminars. Education is your compass in the real estate landscape. It equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, assess risks. Stay curious and embrace a lifelong learning mindset, adapting to evolving market conditions and emerging trends. 2. Financial planning. Set clear financial goals and create a plan. Calculate how much you can afford to invest, considering your income, expenses, and potential risks. To accumulate wealth through real estate, strategic financial planning is essential. Start by setting clear financial goals and creating a budget. Save consistently to build a sizable down payment for property investments. 3. Start small. Begin with smaller investments like residential properties to gain experience and build a foundation. As you become more proficient, you can consider larger and more lucrative opportunities. Embarking on the journey to millionaire status through real estate often begins with starting small. Begin by investing in affordable properties or even exploring real estate crowdfunding platforms with lower entry points. This allows you to gain valuable experience, understand the market dynamics, and build a foundation for future investments. 4. Location matters. Research and invest in areas with potential for growth. Look for locations with good infrastructure, amenities. In real estate, the adage location holds significant weight in the pursuit of millionaire status. Choosing the right location can greatly impact the potential for property appreciation and rental income. 5. Networking. Build a strong network with real estate professionals, investors, and mentors. Networking can provide valuable insights, partnerships, and opportunities. Networking plays a crucial role in achieving millionaire status through real estate. Building strong connections within the industry opens doors to valuable opportunities, insights, and potential partnerships. 6. Diversify investments. Avoid putting all your funds into one property. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and potentially increase returns. Diversifying real estate investments is a key strategy on the path to becoming a millionaire. Instead of focusing solely on one type of property, consider diversifying across different sectors, such as residential, commercial, and industrial. 7. Value-add properties. Consider properties that you can improve or renovate to increase their value. This can lead to higher returns when you sell or rent them out. Investing in value-add properties can be a strategic pathway to achieving millionaire status through real estate. These properties typically require improvements or renovations to increase their value. Look for opportunities to enhance functionality, aesthetics, or overall appeal, allowing you to command higher rents or sell at a premium. 8. Long-term perspective. Realize that real estate wealth often grows over time. Be patient and focus on long-term goals rather than quick gains. Maintaining a long-term perspective is a fundamental principle for achieving millionaire status through real estate. Real estate values tend to appreciate over time, and wealth accumulation is often a gradual process. Adopting a patient approach allows you to weather market fluctuations and benefit from the compounding growth of property values. 9. Financing strategies. Explore different financing options, such as mortgages, private lenders, or partnerships, to maximize your purchasing power. Strategic financial planning is crucial in the pursuit of millionaire status through real estate. Begin by setting clear goals and creating a budget, allocating funds for property investments. Save diligently to build a robust down payment, and consider leveraging wisely through mortgages to maximize returns. 10. Continuous learning. Stay updated on market trends, regulations, and investment strategies. Adapt your approach based on changing circumstances. Continual learning is crucial for achieving wealth through real estate. Stay updated on market trends, financing options, and legal aspects. Attend seminars, read books, and network with successful investors. Remember, success in real estate requires time, effort, and a well-thought-out strategy. Always conduct thorough research and seek professional advice when need. If you enjoyed this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications. Until next time, farewell.